going YouTube friends and family. Bring you guys in. This is the last day of the season, of the grape hauling season. Just gonna go drop off the empty set of trailers that I got, the doubles, back at a storage yard where they're parked, and I'll pretty much just sit there till they get used again. Either you can use these bin type, gondola type trailers for other, agriculture, like olives, pomegranates. Just depends what they use them for, but you can use them for other things besides grapes. And bring you guys in and show you final day. And depending what area you're in, the grape season usually ends till last couple weeks of October or beginning of November. It just depends every year. I have hauled grapes after Halloween, after the 31st of October, and I've also finished the grape hauling season 2-3 weeks before Halloween. So it just depends on many variables. In a few more weeks here, I'll probably be taking off again. I usually go to Cancun for quite a while. And then I'll come back later in 2023. One of my drivers will probably be driving this truck while I'm away, hauling dry van. They haul dry van, different household goods, electronics, stuff like that. Drop these right here. First things first, drop the landing gear. Give it a good once over inspection on the trailers. And then I also have to put my mud flaps back on, because I actually removed the mud flaps when I haul trailers, these types of trailers, because the landing gear is a little closer to my tires. So when I'm hauling these trailers, I got the fifth wheel all the way back, but still the landing gear on these is a little forward than say like a 53 or a 48 that I haul at other times. This electrical out. Alrighty. Hang this all up. Service. Emergency. And tuck away the electrical. There we go. Now we can pull the fifth wheel. Give it a good once over. Shit's all good. Support legs are chained up. Tires are good. I checked them earlier on my pre-trip. Pintle hook, all good. Electrical, airlines. Not dragging. These tires are checked. Supporting gear, that supporting gear, these tires. Bins are tied down. Bins are tied down. Look at this over here. Bins are tied down. Blending here. And we are good to go. Just pull it forward and then I'll install my mud flaps again. It's a nice cold day. Well, not too cold. Doesn't get that cold here in Northern California. Not like Minnesota or anything, or North Dakota where I've been. Release my tractor brakes. What I like to do is pull forward just a little bit. Drive, pull forward just a little bit. Stop, drop my suspension. I like to do that because that way when I come up off the trailer, you know, the rear suspension still wants to go up. Even once you don't have the trailer there, you know, the leveling valve is going to want to force it up. So by dropping the suspension, you get the suspension dropped, you get the shocks dropped a little bit, a few inches, and then that way once you come up off, it doesn't, this air suspension just doesn't smack all the way and extend the airbags all the way out and then extend the shocks all the way out. You know, just less wear and tear on your rear suspension components on the tractor. When you're dropping, you know, a few trailers a day and hooking and unhooking, you know, you can really, you know, beat up your rear suspension on your truck right away. So that's just why. Now let's get up out of here. I'm gonna go this way so I can have a dry place. And once you pull off, put your suspension back up. Get out of here. I've got these bungee cords holding my mud flaps on here. And let's see if I can get up in here. Hook this. Hook this. Right side mud flap on. There we go. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is a storage yard. All these here will be ready for use next season, or they use them for something else. Like I said, olives, pomegranates, you know, pretty much you can use these for pretty much anything that where the facility that it's going to has to have a crane or a hoist to be able to lift up the gondola to tip it over. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Alrighty.